that is the big question. You only get one factory finish. Preserve it with Paintless Dent Repair. Do not let a body shop repaint your vehicle for minor dents and dings like these. Using the latest technologies and specialized tools, we manipulate the panel to remove the dents without using any body fillers or paint. This process is the only method that preserves your vehicle's factory finish and retains the value of your vehicle. If you'd like to learn more, visit our website, dentrepairgeorgia.com.